Hey, I am Fearless Coder. Let's start. Built-in functions. Built-in functions are the functions that are already defined in the Python libraries and are ready to be used. These functions do not require any import statement before being used. Example: round, mean, max, len filter, map, sum, insert, CMP, accumulate, enumerate. Round. The round function rounds a number to a specified number of decimal places. Syntax: round in bracket, number, digits. For example, x equals round 3.1415926535, round 2. Print x. Output: 3.14. Mean. Mean is a function that returns the smallest item in an iterable object, such as a list. For example, list1 equals 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Minute underscore value equals min list1. Print min underscore value. Output: 1. Max. The max function is used to return the largest item in an iterable or the largest of two or more arguments. For example, my underscore list equals 1, 7, 4, 3, 9. Max underscore value equals max my underscore list. Print max underscore value. Output: 9. Len is a built-in function in Python that returns the length of an object. Syntax: len object. For example, list1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. List underscore length equals len list1. Print list underscore length. Output: 4. Enumerate is a built-in function of Python. It allows us to loop over something and have an automatic counter. For example, data equals Python, Java, C++. For I, j and enumerate data. Print I, j. Output: 0, Python. 1, Java. 2, C++. Filter. A filter in Python is a built-in function or method that is used to filter out elements from a given iterable based on a certain criteria. For example, numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even underscore numbers equals list filter lambda x, x%2 equals 0, numbers. Print even underscore numbers. Output: 2, 4, 6. Sum. Sum is a built-in function in Python that takes an iterable object as an argument and returns the sum of all elements in the iterable. For example, list1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Print sum list1. Output: 10. CMP. The CMP function is a built-in function in Python which is used to compare two elements. It can take two arguments and returns an integer value based on the comparison of the two elements. For example, str1 equals hello. str2 equals world. Print CMP str1, str2. Output: -1. Insert. Insert method is used to insert elements at the specified position in a list. Syntax: list.insert index, element. For example, my underscore list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My underscore list.insert 2, 6. Print my underscore list. Output: 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. For more videos, subscribe. Fearless Coder.